Today, we'll delve into all aspects of water damage restoration and how to effectively mitigate it, providing you with essential information and expert insights. First, let's understand the financial impact from water damage. Simply put, small water damage can lead to secondary damage if not properly mitigated right away. The severity can vary from minor leaks to major floods that will cost mid to high five-figure amount to repair. So what are some common water damage a property owners may encounter? Water damage can stem from multiple sources. Common causes include supply line failures behind walls, overflowing washing machines, toilet overflows, roof damage, and natural disasters like hurricanes and floods are the worst, and most people can't control that. If you see anything questionable in your property, dial the number on the screen to do some early detection of water damage or small repair before things get worse. Look out for signs like water stains, musty odors, warped materials, and cracking caulking lines. In colder regions, frozen pipes pose a significant risk, often leading to major water damage if heating systems fail during winter absences. One of the most challenging aspects of water damage is what lies hidden. Damage can occur behind walls and in insulation, remaining undetected, yet causing significant harm over time. Please do not underestimate them. If you suspect water damage or mold, avoid using fans or other DIY methods to dry the area. Improper handling can worsen the situation, spreading mold spores and potentially harming your health. Dial the number on the screen to get professional help right away. Inappropriately dealing with water damage can exacerbate mold growth, spreading it through HVAC systems and turning a localized issue into a widespread problem. Professional restoration begins with a thorough inspection, identifying the source of water damage and ensuring it has ceased. The restoration team will then determine the most effective, minimally invasive method to dry and restore the affected area. In cases involving hazardous materials like mold or sewage, removal is essential for safety. The restoration process for residential and commercial properties is fundamentally similar, focusing on the source of water damage and the urgency of response. However, commercial properties may require more extensive equipment due to their size. If you are currently owning a home or in the process of selling a property and have observed any signs of concern, please call the number to dispatch a nearby emergency service for assistance.